And I'm gonna put 3 beads the same. Hold on, I wanna do it right in the middle. Blue roses. And 3 beads the same side. Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. Thank you, thank you. I am going to using the tips of my 3D door brush and create the petals like it's like a half moon. Press, release. I'm going to press and release. And make it like a half moon spazzles. Flash here for 10 seconds. Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning in.
So Jacob, it is easier to use than acrylic. With acrylic, you gotta set time. You don't do fast enough, you will likely won't be able to finish the design. With this, you can.
Yeah, you have all the time in the world, so you would not have to worry about if it's going to set until your art is going to cure. So I'm gonna do is 3 smaller beads in the second layer. Okay. And you're gonna press and release and then spread it on this side using the tip of your bristle. Same thing with this bead. You do not need to do it perfect right now after you are going to sculpting these 3 petals, and then you can look at all over and then you can adjusting it, okay? And now I'm gonna adjusting it and make it look really nice. And all right. So you are going to cure for 10 seconds. I'm gonna do right in the center for you. Just a smaller beads. Make it a little beads. Put it right in the center. And you're gonna make a little like dot, like a little donut, and then you're gonna just separate it right here. I'm going to give it a little twist. And to connecting to this. Okay. All right, so here adding some leaves on the smaller size, so we can make thing super cute leaf. Doing the same thing with that one. We'll get another one. And you can see that I didn't even use any alcohol from a beginning of doing the 4D gels. You don't need to submerging your like 3D brush. Do a brush into any alcohol at all. So I'm gonna do just press. It's not going to dry until you are going to key it. So you have all the time in the world to create this beautiful flowers. You can adjusting it. If you need more of the 40 gel, you can get more. If you need to remove it, absolutely you can remove it. I think I need like one more. One more beads. I really like that though. Okay, here for 60 seconds. Or you can flash here because we're gonna put some crystal placement on it.